10 fascinating facts you didn't learn in school. Did you know that capybaras are some of the most social animals? They live in large groups, which provides safety from predators and fosters strong social bonds. Capybaras are friendly and often peacefully coexist not only with their own kind, but also with other animals and even humans. They communicate using various sounds, body language, and physical contact. This social lifestyle helps them coordinate for feeding, resting, and protection. Group living is key to their survival and overall well-being. Capybaras show high levels of trust and cooperation. Their social nature makes them popular in zoos and sanctuaries, where they adapt well to new environments. Did you know that bananas are berries, but strawberries are not? Botanically, a berry is a fruit developed from a single ovary with seeds inside. Bananas fit this definition, while strawberries don't because their seeds are on the outside, making them an aggregate fruit instead. This might sound surprising since we usually think of strawberries as berries based on taste and size. But botanical classifications differ significantly from everyday language. This fact reveals how fascinating and unexpected plant biology can be when examined scientifically. Did you know that one day on Venus is longer than its year? Venus rotates on its axis so slowly that a full rotation takes about 243 Earth days, while it completes one orbit around the Sun in about 225 Earth days. This means a single day outlasts its entire year. This unusual rotation is caused by complex gravitational forces and the planet's internal dynamics. Venus also spins in the opposite direction compared to most planets, making its rotation unique. This slow rotation influences Venus's climate and atmosphere, creating extremely hot and harsh conditions that continue to fascinate scientists studying the solar system. Did you know that cats sleep up to 16 hours a day? They are among the top sleepers in the animal kingdom. This long sleep allows them to conserve energy, which is essential since wild cats spend a lot of time hunting. Even domestic cats keep this instinctive behavior, often dozing off multiple times throughout the day to stay ready for activity. Cats experience different sleep stages, including deep and light sleep, cycling throughout their resting periods. This helps them recover physically, boost their immune system, and even strengthen memory. Despite their long sleep, cats can quickly wake up at any sound, showing how alert they stay. The amount of sleep varies depending on age. Kittens and senior cats tend to sleep more. Understanding this helps owners respect their cat's need for rest, which is vital for their health and longevity. Did you know that a single lightning strike can heat the air to 30,000 degrees Celsius? That's about 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. This intense heat is produced in an instant, causing the brilliant flash we see as lightning. The rapid heating makes the air expand explosively, creating the thunder we hear. Lightning's energy is powerful enough to damage trees, buildings, and start fires. Scientists study lightning to understand atmospheric processes better and develop ways to protect people and infrastructure. Did you know that the moon has no atmosphere, so there is no wind? Without an atmosphere, there's no air to move, meaning no weather or wind like we experience on Earth. This causes footprints and objects left on the moon's surface to remain unchanged for thousands of years. The lack of atmosphere also means the moon's surface is exposed to harsh cosmic radiation and micrometeorites, creating its characteristic pitted, dusty landscape. Temperatures fluctuate drastically due to no protective air layer. This unique environment makes the moon a fascinating subject for scientific exploration and future space missions. Did you know that penguins slide on their bellies to move faster on ice? This movement, called tobogganing, helps them save energy compared to waddling on their feet. Instead, penguins push themselves with their flippers and feet, gliding smoothly over slippery surfaces, making travel across ice quicker and more efficient. Tobogganing is not only energy-saving, but also fun for penguins. They sometimes pick up speed, covering long distances in this way. This skill is especially useful when searching for food or escaping predators in their harsh Antarctic environment. Penguins often alternate between walking and sliding during their long journeys. Their ability to adapt these methods shows how well they survive in extreme cold, where energy conservation is critical. Did you know that the Great Pyramids of Giza were the tallest man-made structures for over 3,800 years? The Great Pyramid of Khufu stood at about 146 meters tall and was unmatched in height until the rise of Gothic cathedrals in medieval Europe. This is a testament to the incredible engineering skills of ancient Egyptians who built these monumental structures with limited technology. The precision and scale of the pyramids continue to amaze historians and architects. Their grandeur and mystery inspire people worldwide and remain one of humanity's greatest architectural achievements. Did you know that NASA's spacesuits cost over $12 million each? These suits are incredibly complex life support systems designed to protect astronauts in the harsh environment of space. They regulate oxygen, temperature, pressure, and shield from radiation. Designing and manufacturing these suits requires years of research and testing, with many layers of special materials that withstand micrometeorites and mechanical damage. They must be both flexible and durable to allow mobility and safety. The high cost reflects the suit's vital role in keeping humans alive during spacewalks, where any failure could be fatal. Did you know that chimpanzees remember their friends even after years apart? This reveals their strong memory and social intelligence. They recognize familiar faces and scents, which helps maintain lasting social bonds crucial for complex group living. This long-term recognition supports group stability and eases reunions after long separations. Such memory skills are rare in the animal kingdom and highlight chimpanzees' close evolutionary link to humans. This fact shows how important social relationships and memory are for survival and social structure in the wild. Scientists study this to better understand the origins of friendship and trust. If you want more interesting facts every day, subscribe to the channel, like it. Don't forget to write a comment about what you're interested in learning something new about.